friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a Seint beauty artist and a lover of all things beauty. So today's video is going to be how I achieve a fresh face look. Just basically kind of my everyday look, how I can achieve everything using my all-in-one compact. So here I'm kind of taking you through, I'm color correcting. I go in and I color correct my dark eye circles and then I color correct some of my redness. I've actually kind of changed up a little bit of my color, the colors that I use, so I don't have to do so much color correcting, but in this video, that is what I'm doing. So I'm going through and just color correcting, and then I'm going to smear a whole bunch of stuff on my face. This is my contour in the color Ash. I will link everything down below in case you're interested in it. But this is the #1 way I like to apply my makeup, just because it's super, super easy. I literally throw on the colors, I blend it out, and I'm able to walk out the door. So I'm even putting my bronzer on here, and I think I even do my cheek color. Nope, I don't do my cheek color in this one. So next I'm gonna spray my face with my setting spray. This is the e.l.f. Dewy Mist setting spray. It is not my favorite. I actually like the Milani one a lot better, but I ran out of the Milani one and I have to use what's in my collection. Next, I'm taking the 3D foundation brush and I am just blending this out. Now, I am not smearing this on my face. I'm actually kind of doing a packing method because what I want to do is push the makeup into my skin. So I'm blending out all my colors and you can see it's kind of scary at first. You got to trust the process, but you can see how they blend out beautifully. You do not have to be a makeup artist to do this makeup. You do not have to be a makeup pro. You do not have to be good at doing your makeup. This is dummy-proof makeup. So if you are scared of doing foundation or you're not sure about contouring or bronzing, putting all the colors together, you can see here, everything blends out perfectly. Now I'm going in with the Real Technique sponge and I'm just dipping into my main highlight shade and I'm just putting a little bit more coverage on the areas that I need it, my under eye circles, my T-zone, because that's where my redness is. So my camera actually fell and my light fell, so the color changed. So we just are going to go with it. Next, I'm gonna do the rest of my face. I'm gonna go in with the color Basic. This is a basic eyeshadow color. This is the color that I use #1 out of my eyeshadow palette. It is just a good transition color. It's a good, just neutral color that I love using. And so if you're looking for an eyeshadow color that doesn't really give a lot of color payoff and it's just very neutral and natural, then Basic would be it. Then I'm going in with the Florence Brow Pencil. I love this brow pencil. It's got a good price point. I think it's like $10 or something like that, maybe even cheaper. I get it from Ulta and it just blends out perfectly. They've got a variety of different colors and it's got the spoolie at the end. Then I'm gonna take my eyelash curler and I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. I have straight eyelashes on one side and curled on the other. So I like to kind of even them out and just really create that fanned up look. Then I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Tubing Mascara. This is my favorite mascara. I have done a video on this. I did a comparison video of it compared to the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. I love that one as well, but this one is a heck of a lot easier to get your hands on because you can just go to your local Ulta and boom, pick it up. I think Sephora also carries it as well, but it's just a lot easier. If I run out, I can go to the store. So it is a tubing mascara, so it's really easy to get off and it just does a good job of volumizing, but then also lengthening. And you can see here, I love putting a ton of mascara on. I like my lashes to be big, bold, in your face, kind of tarantula looking, maybe a little bit, but that is what I like to do. And I like it because if I get it on my skin, it's really, really easy to get off as I'm showing right here. So I just wait for it to dry a couple seconds and that's it. So that's it. That is my fresh face makeup. Let me know if you have any questions. Until next time, bye.